Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna try build a gate for my dog so he doesn't get through because yeah. But anyway, so we're gonna build a gate here. I'm gonna show you guys now. So yeah, I've got to build a gate from there to there. Okay guys, because of this little one, Rexy. Yeah, this one keeps pushing the thing back. So now I've got to try and make a gate for it. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay, so guys, so this is the steel we're gonna be using. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can make a plan with that gate. I don't know yet how I'm gonna make it, but I guess I'll go with the flow, guys, and then we shall see how it comes out. And as you guys can see, I built this as well, gas gauge, because we got a lot of thefts people here, steal gas bottles and stuff. So I decided to make me one of these gas gauges. This can hold up to a 19 kg, but yeah. So let's continue with our gate. Okay guys, so now we got all our steel here. So we're gonna cut up the gate, all the pieces for the gate, and then yeah, we're gonna start building the gate up and see how it looks when we're done with it. Okay? Just pull it back please, Carmen. Come a little bit more. Okay, whoa. Okay. There we go. Okay, push it in. Too much. Okay. Okay, all good. So now we've got our measurements, so now we're gonna lay it out now. Okay guys, so now we're gonna cut these pieces out to make this fit so we can get the total length of it. Okay, so what do we say? Okay guys, so if you see here, we're gonna cut this piece out. Okay, right, and we're gonna cut this piece out here. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're gonna cut it out there. Okay, so we're gonna mark it. So we're first gonna do the one side, try and make it fit. So we're gonna cut that out quick and this piece out, and then we're gonna see if it fits perfectly in there. And then we shall go to the other side. To the other side of there. We're gonna do the same there. Okay guys? I'm gonna have Stan, my friend here. My brother. This is my brother.
Hello, how are you guys?
You see, this is my brother. So he's gonna cut this for me. Okay, and then we'll get straight back to you after we cut out these pieces to show you guys how it fits in there. Okay guys? As you guys can see now, we cut it off there and we cut it off there. So now it fits flush onto that piece of steel. Okay, so now we got to do this exactly the same on the other side with this piece. Okay, Okay, guys, so now we got to check if it's square. Push it on a bit. Yes. Okay, so now we got the square in. Okay, so all now we got to do is stack this thing in together and then see how that goes. Okay, guys? Cool. I don't have like a welding lens for you guys to see how I tack it in. But yeah, I'm sure you guys will get the picture of how I'm building this gate. Okay, guys? Just going to tack it in. Okay, guys. So I welded it in now. As you guys can see there. Not done with it yet. I need to still weld a few spots still. But yeah, okay. So we got the frame now done. Okay. So we need to still find a piece to go from here to here to give it strength for the gate. But as you guys can see there, just show there, Chris, Spanner, the squareness. As you guys can see, it's square. Okay. So that's very important. It has to be square, guys. Otherwise, it's not going to look right when it's on. It's going to be all skew and stuff. So now we're just double checking that it's still square in that. And then, yeah, we shall continue cleaning up the wild spots and tacking where we should be tacking in. And then, yeah. As you guys can see, we just smoothed out the valve. So it's a little bit looser. So yeah, we're going to do that around all of them. Okay. And then, yeah, and then we can sort out our middle piece for the gate to give it more strength and support. Okay, guys, we got now the center support for it, as you can see. Okay, I just tacked it up like that. Okay, so this is going to go in the middle of the cage. I mean, of the door, the cage door for in front. So yeah, now we're just going to cut it out to make it fit inside here. In there, you see? Now it's lined up with the edge of this gate. You can see on that side as well. So now all we need to do is weld it in, and then yeah. Okay, guys, this is how we welded it in now. Okay, so if we flip it around, you can see we welded it on the inside as well. Okay, so now we're just gonna clean it up and then continue by putting our plates in and stuff. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna put metal plates in here, in the opening. Okay, guys, gonna be using this plate here, okay, to cut it out and fit it in there. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, guys, so we cut the piece of plate now. Okay, let's fit it in and see if it fits. So we're going like that, as you guys can see. Okay, we're gonna use rivets to rivet this plate in. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the next one for here, for this side, and then yeah, it should be the same size, exactly the same size as the other one. Okay, so okay, guys, now we got both pieces in. We just gotta now rivet it in, and then yeah, we're almost there, guys. So guys, that's all that's now left to do is to put the hinges on and the lock. I gotta wait now for the paint to dry. But yeah, she's looking good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, so now I just need to put the hinges on and the lock and the gate is done. Okay guys, so now the gate is here in place. So now all we need to do is line it up. And then yeah, and put the locks on, the hinges on, and then it should be A for away. Okay guys, we got the gate now in place, as you guys can see. No? But now we gotta work out how we're gonna put our hinges on. Okay, these hinges here. We're gonna put these hinges on there. Okay, and this lock. Okay guys, so we're gonna try and put that on, and then we'll show you when it's done. Okay guys. Okay, so we're now just drilling the holes for the hinges. Let's see if the holes line up. Line up nicely.
Nope.
Yeah. Guys, so now we got the hinges on to the base. Now we need to put the hinges on the gate. Okay, so we're going to connect the hinges to the gate. As you can see, we got it bolted down now on the wooden piece. There, both sides. Now we got to connect it to the gate itself. Okay, we got the hinges onto the gate as well. Okay, so you can see, you can close it nicely. Open it. See, perfect. Now we need to put our lock on, guys. So we're thinking of just drilling a hole in the wall and putting a lock here somewhere, but we'll figure it out. So yeah. So guys, we just completed our gate, DIY backyard gate for the dog Rex, because he keeps on getting through that piece of crap that's laying down here. But yeah, this is how we made our gate. I hope you guys liked it. As you guys can see, opens, closes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys don't mind, hit the subscribe, like, and share the video, please guys. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and we will see you guys on the next DIY. Bye.